Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting tutorial that'll enhance your TV experience in a big way. Ready to learn how to bring HBO Max to your Samsung Smart TV? Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the installation process, let's talk about what HBO Max brings to the table for your Samsung Smart TV. Imagine having access to an incredible library of blockbuster movies, binge-worthy TV series, and exclusive content right at your fingertips. Get ready to take your entertainment to the next level. Alright, let's get started with the step-by-step guide to installing HBO Max on your Samsung Smart TV. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and ensure it's connected to the internet. A strong and stable connection is crucial for uninterrupted streaming. Step 2. Using your remote, locate and open the App Store or Smart Hub on your TV. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Use the search function to find the HBO Max app. Once you find it, simply click on Install. The app will start downloading right away. Congratulations, you've just added HBO Max to your Samsung Smart TV. And there you have it, folks. HBO Max is now at your fingertips on your Samsung Smart TV. Get ready to embark on an entertainment journey like no other. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for joining us. Enjoy your HBO Max experience, and until next time, happy streaming. Stay connected with us by hitting that subscribe button and following us on social media. More exciting content is on the way. Please note that app availability may vary based on your region and TV model. Be sure to check your Samsung Smart TV's compatibility before installation.